And since 1% of women end up in scenario A, and since roughly 1/3 of the remaining men in this category, by a conservative estimation, will be uninterested in settling down at any one time, this means that about 6% of women can possibly end up in scenario B, making it the second least likely outcome. And of course, the cost of securing this outcome is women lowering their price tags. Women, are you more likely to buy the Versace sack at full retail or when it's on sale? Even if you could afford the full retail, wouldn't you be more motivated to act by the discount? Of course you would, because that's rational. And if Versace wants to reach a clientele that would otherwise be priced out of its regular product, that is exactly what Versace needs to do. Excellent. We've covered the first two options, and there are still 93% of women left unaccounted for. Where are they going to go? Well, since we know that 25% of women are unmarried at 40, a figure that's increased a whopping 25% in just the last 10 years, and 7% of women end up in the first two categories, that means that about 2/3 of women will face endgames C and D.